Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we're going to do lesson 23, which is the last lesson of the series of the Madina Book 1. And today's lesson is related to the last lesson. Let's go through it, inshallah. And anything that needs to be mentioned, we will mention, inshallah. We have learned before that a noun is in the genitive case when it is A preceded by a preposition. For example, al-baytu fil bayti, bilalun min bilalin. So because of the preposition, the harful jar, you got al-bayti and min bilalin. Or it's mudaf ilay, like kitabul mudarrisi, the teacher's book, bintu bilalin, Bilal's daughter. Please note that a diptote in these two situations takes a fatha instead of a kasra. For example, the genitive ending in ordinary nouns is e, but in diptotes it is a. So, Bilalun min Bilalin, Kitabu Bilalin. So this is a normal noun. Here in bold we have Ahmadu, which is a diptote, min Ahmada, Kitabu Ahmada. So min is harful jar, but because this is غير munsarif, it will take a fatha instead of a kasra. Kitabu Ahmada. Ahmad is mudaf ilayh, and a normal noun will take a kasra, but instead this will take a fatha. Ibrahimu is also غير munsarif because it's a non-Arabic name. Min Ibrahima. Min is harful jar, and in a normal noun it would give it kasra, but this will take a fatha. Kitabu Ibrahima. It's mudaf ilayh. A normal noun would take kasra, but this will take a fatha. So this is what this exercise, this lesson is about. We have a few new vocabularies: Istanbul, Istanbul, Washington, Washington, Al-Ta'if, which is the city of Ta'if.